When silver nitrate solution is added to sodium chloride solution, the solution becomes cloudy. The cloudiness is really a solid that has been formed in the chemical reaction between the two solutions. In order to understand how this happens, we need to delve deeper into the nature of the solutions. When solid sodium chloride is dissolved in water, the polar nature of the water molecules are able to disrupt the electrostatic attraction of the ions in the salt so that they become separated. The positive sodium ions and negative chloride ions become surrounded by a cluster of water molecules and no longer are attracted to each other. The cluster of water molecules around each ion contains many molecules and is called the hydration sheath. An aqueous solution of any soluble ionic substance is really a mixture of water molecules and positive cations and negative anions surrounded by a hydration sheath, all in constant motion. So, when we add silver nitrate solution to sodium chloride solution, we are actually mixing two mixtures, one containing water and sodium and chloride ions surrounded by hydration sheaths, and the other containing water molecules and silver and nitrate ions, each surrounded by a hydration sheath. Therefore, we end up with a mixture of water and four ions, surrounded by hydration sheaths, but free to move. It turns out that the attraction between silver ions and chloride ions is stronger than between silver ions and water molecules, and greater than the attraction of chloride ions for water, so when these two ions collide, they bond electrostatically and discard their hydration sheaths. Solid silver chloride, which is insoluble in water because of this, is rapidly formed as a white solid. When a solid is formed from two solutions, this is called a precipitate. Symbolically, we have a mixture of four ions in aqueous solution, but when the silver ions collide with the chloride ions, a solid is formed. The sodium ions and nitrate ions are still dissolved, and don't participate in the reaction. We call them spectator ions. An ionic equation would be silver ion plus chloride ion gives a precipitate of insoluble silver chloride.